Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to delete your recent searches on the Instagram app when using your PC, especially with the latest update. If you want to keep your search history private or just like to keep things tidy, this quick guide is for you. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app or website on your computer and make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're on your main feed, look to the left side of the screen. There, you'll see a menu with several icons. Click on the search icon, which looks like a magnifying glass. After clicking the search icon, you'll see your recent searches displayed right away. This list shows everything you've searched for recently: accounts, hashtags, or places. Now, scroll through and find the specific search entry you want to remove. Next to each search item, you'll notice a small X icon. To delete an individual search, simply click on the X next to that entry. Instantly, it disappears from your search history. You can repeat this process for as many entries as you'd like to remove, one by one. If you want to clear your entire search history in one go, look for the Clear All option, usually found at the top or bottom of your recent searches list. Clicking this will prompt a confirmation message. If you're sure, confirm your choice, and all your recent searches will be wiped clean. But remember, once you clear your search history, it can't be undone, so make sure you really want to remove everything before proceeding. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can easily manage and delete your recent searches on Instagram from your PC, keeping your account more private and organized. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner Instagram experience.